Do you want to set up your sales prices for variant products like this? Let's see how we can do this. Welcome back to Express. I'm Steven. I'm going to be helping you how to do this into your Shopify. So first of all, what I wanted to do is to focus into our Shopify store. If you don't have a Shopify, I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description so we can all get started totally for free. So once we are here into our dashboard, what you want to do is to locate and focus into just the basic is navigating to the product page. What I wanted to do is to stop navigating into the product section into the left part. I'm going to hit into products, and then later on, what I want to do is to select a specific product. Let's say, for example, this one, the first one. So I click in it, and now I choose my product already so I can add or edit a variant. Now let's focus into setting a variant prices. If I scroll all my way down, you can see that we have the variant sections. And in this case, we only have one variant, which that means that I only have one product for this specific, let's say, post. So what I want to do is to hit into edit or just click in it. And as you can see, here's the actual price. Now what I want to do is to demonstrate here the difference between each variant. For example, here is the price and here's the compare at price. So to display a markdown, as it says in here, you wanted to enter a value higher than the current price. So the often shows as a strike throw. So that means that the price is, I don't know, maybe 25. So I'm gonna go for 23, for example. And the compare at price, I'm gonna go and look out for $31. So cost per item, I'm gonna just leave like that. Charge attack on this variant, and I'm gonna hit now into save. Now, as you can see, I'm gonna scroll all my way up. I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna scroll down. I'm gonna make sure that the quantity appears in here. And I'm gonna go into this ad that appears view into an online store. Check out that the price now comes from 31 into 23 and automatically appears the sale button down here. So that means when somebody buys the product, it could be seeing the actual price of $23. So everyone can go into buy it now and see that the actual price appears in here, the subtotal, the shipping price, and the estimate taxes. So that means that all of this should be added automatically in here. So you just need to add the delivery button, the payment button, and the pay now. Really easy process. Now, if you want to do this with some much more than just one variant, let's go into another product that has more than one variant. For example, let's go for the second one. And now, as you can see, I'm going to scroll all the way down. You see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 variants of this new product. So instead of just going one by one, what I want to do is to go here and to edit. Let's go for bulk edit. This one should be showing us this sheet view of our prices. So what I wanted to do is to change the custom prices of all of this. But first of all, what I want to do is to see compare at price. So what I want to do is to try to change this. I'm going to just leave this like that. Let's say, for example, $6. I move my mouse in here so all of the prices are the same. And here I'm going to go for $9. So I click here and I just drag and drop until all of them are the same prices. Wait a few seconds here till all the variants have added the same value there. I'm going to go back and there we go. Now, lastly, what you wanted to do is to view it. So let's go here into view, and you can see that variant number 1 is now $6, variant number 2 as well. All of them actually have the same variant and look pretty great so far. So there you have it, guys. I'm going to just now close this, and automatically by default, all my product has now been saved automatically. So that means that I no longer have to do anything else at all. So that, guys, is how you can get started with the actual sales section point into your Shopify. So with that being said, guys, we have now reached the very end of the video. Now comment down below what you find the most challenging about product pricing strategies. Which product would you like to see as an example in our next tutorial, guys? Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Elevate your online store with smart pricing. See you on the next video.